Hi everyone. This video will show you how to access your organizational account for ArcGIS as well as downloading the install file for ArcGIS Pro. So you want to go to arcgis.com, click on sign in, go to your organizational URL and type in DePaul-edu. If you click on that, it's going to give you your DePaul sign-in. Go ahead and click on your sign-in. Splash screen comes up letting you know that it's for research and teaching purposes only, not for commercial use. Click on accept. And once it comes up, you'll see the DePaul University ArcGIS organizational account portal page. So it'll tell you welcome to the ArcGIS Online. That's how you will access ArcGIS Online. The way that you access the map is across the menu on the top. You can click on Map. When the map comes up, you'll notice that you're in the correct place for a map. You can always change the map. But I'm going to go back to our original home page, the portal page for DePaul. And at this point, I'm going to click on my name in the upper right. When you click on that, click on My Settings. On the left-hand side, it'll say Licenses. You'll click on that. And all the products that are accessible here through the ArcGIS organizational account come up. You'll scroll to the bottom here or near bottom and it says ArcGIS Pro, download ArcGIS Pro. You can click on that to download the install file for ArcGIS Pro. It is only for PCs and not for Macs because Esri as a company is partnered with Microsoft. So that is how you have access now your ArcGIS organizational account for DePaul, as well as accessing your ArcGIS Pro download file.